Yeah, today we are removing this motors. We are just removing now pulley. We already removed belt from both sides. Now you can see we removed pulley from the one side of fan, and we are cleaning with the brush. After that we will use chemical, and after that diesel will protect it. Now we used high pressure machine which will remove our dust. This is our culture machine, approximately 2 to 3 bar pressures it will give. You can see we are using chemical. First we apply chemical, then after that we are used high pressure machines, and with this one all dust will be removed and our fan is new.